Hi, let me show you two ways how you can add widgets to your lock screen on your iPhone 16e. The first one is we can do it through settings. So let's open settings. Here scroll a bit down to find wallpaper tab. And now you need to click this button customize on your lock screen. And yep, that's it. You'll see this option to add widgets, so click it and find something from the list. For example, we can choose batteries. And here you can pick different style of battery widget. Either it is small one or bigger. Let's add two of them and just click on cross to close everything. So this is how it will look. We can also tap it again, remove one of the widgets and add something else. For example, reminders. For that, I'm gonna click it, and this is the result. So I can tap done button, and changes will be immediately saved. So the next way how you can add widgets to lock screen is by editing your lock screen directly. So press and hold it. Then if you have PIN code or password, you would need to enter it. And now you'll find this edit mode in which you can tap customize, choose your lock screen, and as we did before, select widget you wanna see on your lock screen. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.